Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make soft gulab jamun at your home. So for this gulab jamun, what you need here, I took 3 cup of milk powder and 1 cup of maida, that is flour, into this, and I'm going to add some fresh cream. So we have to add 1 cup of fresh cream. So I used this measuring cup for the gulab jamun, and I'm going to add the cream into this. So we have to add 1 cup of cream to make smooth dough, and this is my grandma's recipe guys, and very easy and very best recipe I can say. So yeah, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this cream into this. And I'm going to make smooth dough of this without using water because we added the cream. So yeah, so I'm going to make a soft dough of this. So can you see my gulab jamun dough is ready. What I'm going to do, take a big plate like this, and I'm going to make small balls of this dough like this. So can you see? Make a small ball because when we put it in the sugar syrup, it will be double in quantity. So that's why. So we have to make like this. So here we prepared the small balls, and my kids they helped this in doing the balls, and before frying what I'm going to do, I'm going to make the sugar syrup for the gulab jamun. So for the sugar syrup, what we need, take a big container, and in this I'm going to add 4 cups of sugar and 4 cups of water. So here I added 4 cups of sugar and 4 cups of water, and we have to cook this one for one string consistency. So yeah, so in this sugar syrup, I'm going to add the elaichi powder, and for the coloring, I'm going to add the yellow food color. So yeah, if you want to skip the color, you can. So take a kadai, add oil for the deep frying for the gulab jamun. So when it's become little bit hot, we have to add the balls into the oil. So here I am making both guys. Here is the oil and here is the sugar syrup. Because after frying the jamun, we have to put immediately the jamun in the sugar syrup. So that's why. So it's time to put the small balls of the jamun in the oil. So we have to fry this one until it becomes golden brown in color. So we can make 30 to 40 gulab jamun in this ratio. So I prepared only small balls. Can you see? After putting in the oil, it started becoming big, and after putting in the sugar syrup, it will double in size. So can you see the color? It started becoming light brown in color and very big, guys. My grandma used to say, adding the cream, it gives the nice, uh, what is called, so can you see the color, guys? So that means my jamun is ready. I'm going to put this one in the strainer. So this is ready. So here my sugar syrup is ready, and into this I'm going to add the elaichi powder, the cardamom powder. It gives a nice taste in the syrup, and into this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of yellow color. So I added a pinch of yellow color. So yeah. So my sugar syrup is ready, and I'm going to add this jamun into the sugar syrup. So I added the jamun, and I'm going to mix this jamun so that all the jamuns will get the equal sugar syrup. So yeah. And I'm going to cover this one with the lid, and after 5 to 10. Hey guys, my gulab jamun is ready, and I will show you on gulab jamun. See, very soft and tender, guys, very soft. Hey guys, this is a quick video of how to make a perfect gulab jamun at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Bye. Hey guys, आज मैंने गुलाब जामुन बनाया आप लोगों के लिए. आप लोग भी खाइए. Bye.